Dear children, we have qualities of Shahaji Raje and Jizabai in our last video. Which were those qualities? Valiant, courageous, intelligent, and which good qualities they instilled in Shivaji Maharaj from his childhood? Modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearlessness. We also have learnt about the Mawar region and the Mawar friends who joined Shivaji Maharaj in the work of Swaraj. Isn't it? Children, in 4th standard, you have learnt about the royal seal of Shivaji Maharaj, Raja Mudra. This is the Raja Mudra, royal seal. And what was the objective of the royal seal? Why he established this Swaraj is given in this small royal seal. The meaning of the royal seal is this seal will grow in splendor. Splendor means what? Impressive, beautiful, just like a new moon. And this seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving the respect from the whole world. And it will show the welfare of the people. Welfare means well-being of the people who lived in his kingdom. The meaning of this inscription or this royal seal is very important from many angles. Maharaj has expressed his thanks to his parents, that is Shahaji Raje and Jizabai, who gave confidence to Shivaji Maharaj to establish Swaraj. This short inscription covers the entire concept of Swaraj. So, he started the establishment of Swaraj. But that time, Shivaji Maharaj and his Jagir was under the rule of Adil Shah, mainly forts. And forts were of special significance. Until and unless you have forts, one could not rule the land. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj decided to acquire the forts that were within his own Jagir near Pune. The Jagir was surrounded by Pune, the nearby regions of Pune. So he captured the fort of Torna, Murumbadev, Kondana, Purandar and laid the foundation of Swaraj. He repaired the fort of Murumbadev and renamed it Rajgarh. This is the fort of Rajgarh, and Rajgarh was the first capital of Swaraj. Children, there were many Maratha Sardars. Mores of Jawli, Ghorpades of Mudar, Savants of Savantwadi, and other Sardars in Adil Shahi. They opposed the foundation of Swaraj, and it was necessary for Shivaji Maharaj to bring them down and other like-minded Sardars under his control for the purpose of foundation of Swaraj. One Chandra Rao More of Jawli was there in Satara district, near Pune only. And he was a powerful Sardar in Adil Shahi. He opposed Shivaji Maharaj. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj attacked the Jawli and captured that region. And after his victory, his activities in Konkan increased. You know where is Konkan? He built Pratapgarh in the forest of Jawli. And in this way, the conquest of Jawli increased his strength. After this, Shivaji Maharaj captured Kalyan, Bhivandi on the Konkan coast. This is Konkan coast. There he came into contact with Siddhi, Portuguese. All of them had entered in Maharashtra through this Konkan coast only. You all know, I have told you earlier. So, it was necessary to have a strong naval force, and therefore he concentrated on building a navy. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj was called as the father of Indian Navy. See how he established navy on the western coast. that is on the Konkan coast. Can you see? Yes. He also defeated Afzal Khan. You know the story of Afzal Khan. Povada is also there, which describes the whole story between Afzal Khan and Shivaji Maharaj. Do you remember? Badi Sahiba, mother of Adil Shah, sent Afzal Khan to curb Shivaji Maharaj. But Shivaji Maharaj killed Afzal Khan. Shivaji Maharaj paid compensation to the soldiers who were wounded in the battle. Even the soldiers or the officers of Afzal Khan's army who fell into hands of Shivaji Maharaj's army were given a good treatment. So, this much you have learned today. We will move on to the expedition of Siddhi Johar in our next video. Till then, see you children. Bye bye children.